The Disco Rose gold balloon dog statue is a captivating decorative piece that blends playful artistry with a vibrant disco ball aesthetic. This 7-inch electroplated sculpture is designed to bring a whimsical and joyous atmosphere to any space, making it an engaging conversation starter and a charming accent for home or party decor. Crafted by Boyhegs, the statue stands out with its intricate disco ball texture and glossy rose gold finish, which evoke a sense of nostalgia and fun. It is solidly constructed from resin, giving it a substantial weight and durability that surpasses initial expectations for a decorative item of its size. Users have noted that the quality of this product is notably higher than anticipated, especially compared to other similar items often found on online marketplaces. The paint job is vibrant and well applied, and the overall craftsmanship is impressive, which makes it suitable not only as a personal collectible, but also as a thoughtful gift for occasions such as birthdays, weddings, and holidays. The statue's design captures the essence of a balloon dog, a popular motif in contemporary art and decor, but with a unique disco twist. The mirrored facets mimic a disco ball's reflective surface, creating dynamic light effects when placed near light sources. This feature has been praised by users who enjoy how the statue refracts light, adding a lively and colorful ambience to rooms. One reviewer who uses the statue in a DJ setup highlighted how it draws attention and even increased gratuities, underscoring its appeal as both a decorative and functional conversation piece. The statue's size and weight contribute to its presence. It is heavier and more solid than expected, which enhances its stability and gives it a premium feel. However, some users mentioned that it can tip over due to its narrower base compared to other balloon dog figures, which is a minor concern but worth noting for placement considerations. The statue is available in 7 dazzling colors, including gold, silver, and rose gold, allowing buyers to choose the one that best fits their decor theme. The rose gold version in particular offers a warm, elegant accent that complements retro and modern interiors alike. Its dimensions, approximately 7.5 by 2.3 by 7 inches, make it a versatile piece that can fit on shelves, tables, or desks without overwhelming the space. The item is packaged carefully to ensure it arrives in perfect condition, which is reflected in the positive feedback regarding its safe delivery and intact state upon arrival. While the overall reception is very positive, there are a few drawbacks mentioned by customers. The statue's weight, while a sign of quality, also means it is less portable and requires a stable surface to avoid accidental falls. Some users experienced minor damage when the statue tipped over, such as the nose breaking off, although this was easily repaired with glue and did not detract from the statue's appearance. Another point raised was that the disco ball effect is achieved through molded-on pieces painted in metallic colors rather than individual mirrored tiles, which might be a slight disappointment for those expecting a more authentic disco ball texture. Additionally, a few users noted a slight lean in the statue, which could increase the risk of tipping if not placed securely. In terms of aesthetics, the statue excels at injecting personality and charm into any setting. It fits well in living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and even party environments, adding a playful yet stylish element. It is especially appealing to those who appreciate quirky artistic decor and want to express a fun lifestyle at home or work. The statue's nostalgic and whimsical vibe makes it a delightful gift for friends and family who enjoy unique and eye-catching home accents. Overall, the Disco Rose gold balloon dog statue offers excellent value for its price point. It combines solid construction, vibrant color, and a distinctive design that stands out from typical decorative items. Its ability to reflect light and create a disco-inspired atmosphere makes it more than just a static ornament. It becomes a dynamic part of the room's ambience. The minor issues related to balance and fragility under impact are outweighed by the statue's charm and quality. For anyone looking to add a touch of fun and sophistication to their decor, this balloon dog statue is a highly recommended choice. If you own this item, leaving a review in the comments can help others make an informed decision. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and make your purchase easy.